I'm walking through the park here outside Canberra, and there's a group of about 20 kangaroos all watching me carefully. I don't want to get too close, but they're pretty cool. They're all just kind of eyeing me carefully. They don't seem very timid though. I don't want to get too close because I've heard they can kick and scratch pretty hard. But some of them are just enormous. It's kind of hard to tell probably from this video. I'm walking a little bit closer. Hello there. I'm walking right up to them now. That one just laid down, so he's not too scared. I don't want to get much closer than this. Pretty unbelievable. I think I'll leave him alone now.